Hi Dry So Cuties, Waiting here. Today we're going to draw a Shiba Inu puppy dog. So let's get started. To draw this super cute dog, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another circle. So say about right here. So now I have my two circles in. Let's come in there and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, a slight angle, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so with the eyes in, let's come above each eye, and on the side right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve, just slightly above each eye. From there, let's draw the nose. So I'm going to come in between the eyes about right here and just draw a big curve right in the center, and then rounding it off on the corners and connecting it at the bottom in the center. There. And then let's come above right here. I'm just going to draw a small, oval right at the top, and then shade everything else in. Give it a highlight. Okay, so big nose in, and then let's come to the center about right here, and we're going to come down with a straight line, just slightly. And then I'm going to curve it up on both sides. So go up, nice happy smile, and same thing over here. And cap it off. There, now we have a very happy Shiba Inu, right? Okay, so then from there we're going to have to draw the face. So let's make it a little bit easier. Let's come to the top of your eye. I'm going to come out. So say about right here, just giving myself a little bit of room. From this point, I'm going to give it a slight angle down. And then in this area, I'm going to fluff it out and zigzag a little bit fur. There's this little curve right here, and then bring it in. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So top of your eye, come out. Say about this much, just like the other side. And then once again, a slight angle out. And about the eye area right here, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. A little zigzag and curve in. Okay, so from there, we're going to curve around and bring a nice fluffy cheek in. I'm just going to go around and about right here. Go ahead and bring it in. And so same thing over here. So the goal is just to create this nice round curve underneath for the cheeks. From there, let's go to the top, and we're going to bring this up a little bit more. So our goal right now is to just draw this kind of curved shape over the head. So I'm going to go up, and let's come to my center. So I'm imagining this going up and say about right here in the center, I'm just going to give myself a point. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it's a little bit easier for me. From here is where I'm going to draw a curve for the top of the head. If you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve and then you can pop the ears in. But this way it's just a little bit easier for me to gauge where to put the ears. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and go up. And about right here, round off this tip and bring it down. And then right here, I can go ahead and connect. From there, let's go ahead and draw the other ear. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. So it's pretty even. And then about right there, I'll start the other ear. So just go up just like the other side. Drag this point across, approximately right here. And round off the tip and bring it right back down to the same point on the other side. So say about right here. Okay, so then right here, whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off. And then let's draw some details inside. So come right here to the tip area. We're going to come down with a curve. So it's thinner up here, wider right here. We're stopping, imagining a curve. So about right here, we're going to stop. And I'm just going to draw some fur right here and then continue this curve. So same thing over here. So towards the tip, come down, imagining it's still coming through. And right here, some fur and bring it down. Now that we have the face in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So right here in this little neck area, I'm going to come about right here and just also draw out some fur, just a little tuft of fur on both sides. Just a little bit, because they're not very furry, they're short-haired, right? So then right here, I'm going to bring down a curve on both sides and bring it down some more. And I'm simplifying the body. So this one reminded me of my husky, so I'm just kind of drawing like the husky that I drew. So let's come to the center about right here, and I'm going to bring down a curve for the legs. So nicely in the center right here, and let's bring this down. Just going to go back and forth just to see how far I want to bring my legs down. So about right here, I'll go ahead and curve it in, come about right here, draw another curve and connect. So same thing over here. And then right here, you just draw two curves for some paws right here for the fingers. And then, well, they don't call them fingers, right? I have to look that up. And in between, let's draw a slight curve. Okay, so then right here, we're just going to finish off this back and tuck it in. So nice and simple way of drawing a dog without having to draw the legs or anything like that. Okay, so we just tuck everything in, and that is pretty much it. And then let's draw the tail. So Shiba Inu have these curled tails and fluffy curled tails. So about right here, I'll just say about right here, I'll start and draw this big ball of fur and come bring it around. And then about in this area, I'll just bring out some fur again. So just a zigzag and then bring it all the way back. And then right here, let's draw in a curve to finish it off. And that is pretty much it, except of course I'm gonna have to add a heart, right? So it's my Shiba Inu, my draw so cute Shiba Inu. And then just a little tip, when you're coloring this dog, just remember to add two little ovals of white right here on top of for the brow. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you'll love how the Shiba Inu puppy dog turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. And if you love this dog, please make sure to check out my playlist for all the Draw So Cute dogs I've drawn so far. And make sure to also subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.